So in this presentation, we look at what students study in GCSE Maths and also how they're assessed. Students will be taught in the following areas of maths: number, algebra, ratio, proportion, rates of change, geometry and measure, probability and sets. The students will be expected to retain the skills and knowledge for each of these strands and apply them in new situations. This problem solving will be assessed in the final exams. How will students be assessed in this subject? Students will sit 3 exams in the summer of Year 11. The grade will be based upon the results of these exams entirely. 3 papers as mentioned. 1 is non-calculator, 2 are calculator. All papers are worth 80 marks and last 1 hour 30 minutes. The marks from these 3 papers will be totaled up and a single grade will be assigned from this total. The marks needed to get a particular grade do vary slightly each year. We use the Edexcel exam board and the course is taught over 2 years. Which tier will students do? There are 2 tiers of entry in maths, it's higher and foundation. In the higher paper, grades from 4 to 9 can be achieved. In the foundation paper, grades from 1 to 5. We decide which is the best tier for students to study based on their ability. Usually, however, students in sets 1, 2 and 3 will attempt the higher tier exams and all of the students will attempt the foundation. There is some material that's in both courses, both the higher and foundation, and this is called the crossover material. There is, however, obviously a lot of material that's in the higher course that is certainly not in the foundation course. How will students' progress be measured? Grades that are reported to parents and carers are based upon their assessment week exams. In each of the 2 assessment weeks that happen in the year, students will sit complete past GCSE papers with absolutely no questions taken out. They will have their papers marked according to the Edexcel exam board mark scheme, and we will use the grade boundaries given by Edexcel for that particular year to assign the grade. This means that students do get a very accurate and true working at grade that is reported. Maths GCSE papers will assess obviously the whole curriculum, and from year 10 our students will be assessed like this. Students can find this challenging initially, however they will see their current working at grade rise over the 2 years of the course. Homework. Homework is vital for our students to be able to retain the huge depth and breadth of knowledge and skills that are needed for the exams that take place in Year 11. The Maths department currently use the Sparks homework system. This is an excellent online homework system that gives instant feedback to students. Every skill is assessed in Sparks, by Sparks, and this obviously will cover both the higher and foundation tiers completely. Each question or skill will have a video that goes with it that explains to the students and parent carers how to do that particular task or that skill or that piece of knowledge that's required. And parent carers have overwhelmingly very positive about this resource. It really does help. If you require any further information, you can contact myself, and the email address is obviously on the screen now. Thank you for listening.